Morning dear children, hope you all are doing good. In GK we will start our new unit 6, read, watch and listen. In this unit we will study about classics of the world, some famous Indian authors and all about Ramayana. So let's start with chapter 32, classics of the world, page number 75. Here classic means something that is very high quality of its kind. Now I will show you some classic books and we will find out the author's name for each book. First book, Pride and Prejudice. The author name is Jane Austen. Second is War and Peace. Author name is Leo Tolstoy. Now, this book, third one, Great Expectations. It is written by Charles Dickens. Fourth one is Animal Farm. This book is written by George Orwell. Fifth one is Robinson Crusoe. It is written by Daniel Defoe. I hope you all remember this story. You have already studied in class 5th in English literature. Sixth one is Wuthering Heights. It is written by Emily Bronte. Seventh one is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. It is written by Mark Twain. Now see this book page. Book name is Hamlet. It is written by William Shakespeare. Now ninth one is The Jungle Book. The author name is Rudyard Kipling. Now see this one, the 10th one, The Three Musketeers. It is written by Alexander Dumas. Now, chapter 33, famous Indian authors. Indian authors have influenced an entire generation with their writing. Now, we will study about these famous authors of India. First one is, he is also a screenwriter, columnist and TV personality, known for comedy drama novels about young urban middle class Indians. Who is he? Chetan Bhagat. Now look at this picture. She indulged in poetry and literature at a very young age and did not fear writing controversial texts during the pre-partition era. Who is she? Amrita Pritam. Now, third one is, he was a journalist, editor and novelist who wrote some outstanding novels like Train to Pakistan, Delhi, a novel, The Company of Women, etc. Who is he? Khushwant Singh. Fourth one is, he was a leading author of early Indian literature in English along with Mulk Rajanand and Raja Rao. He was born on 10th of October 1906 in Chennai. His name is R.K. Narayan. Now identify this famous author. He was a poet and author. His most significant works include Gitanjali, which was a collection of poems, and Galpagucha, which are 80 short stories. Rabindranath Tagore. Now identify this picture. She is best known for her novel The God of Small Things, which won her the Man Booker Prize for Fiction in 1997. Her name is Arundhati Roy. Seventh picture. He is well known for his novel A Suitable Boy. His collections of poetry such as Mappings and Beastly Tales are notable contributions to the Indian English language poetry canon. His name is Vikram Seth. Now see this picture. He wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof, when he was 17, which won John Llewellyn Rhys Memorial Prize in 1957. His name is Ruskin Bond. Now, chapter 34, all about Ramayana. Page number 78. I hope many of you are well known about Ramayana. Ramayana is one of the greatest Hindu epics which narrates the struggle of the divine prince Ram to rescue his wife Sita from the demon king Ravan. It was written by Valmiki. Now here are some interesting questions about Ramayana. Question number 1. Where was Ram born? Ram was born in Ayodhya. Second question. Ram is the incarnation of which Hindu god? Answer is Vishnu. Third one is, which of the following is not another name for Sita? Janaki and Vaidehi both are the another name for Sita. So Ramani is not the other name for Sita. Question number 4. What is the name of Ravana's wife? Answer is Mandodari. Question number 5. Sita was the daughter of which king? Answer is Janak. Question number 6. In which garden was Sita held in captivity in Lanka? Answer is Ashok Vatika. Question number 7. What is the name of Lakshman's wife? Answer is Urmila. Question number 8. Which brother of Raman was cursed to sleep for 6 months at a stretch? Answer is Kumbhakarna. Question number 9. How many years was Ram in exile? How many years? 14 years. Last question, question number 10. Who was the ruler of the monkey kingdom? Answer is Sugriv.